Hey everyone, this is Charmine from Fantastic Crafts. I hope all of you are having a wonderful day. I'm doing another May Made It video, and I do want to apologize because I am in a different room, so lighting may be a little off, but be patient with me. I promise I'll get it right. So we're going to be making this cute Was Shaken card, and I thought it was adorable, so I had to use a stamp set and I had to make it a shaker card because come on now, what's shaken should be a shaker card, right? So let's get started. It's a very simple card to create. I don't really do a lot of fussy cards anymore because it just takes too long. So right now I'm in the mood for like easy cards. So this one is, I started with a dynamics, but what is that called, die, but you can use whatever die set you have. I pretty much made a window, so I made a window cutout, and I had a lot of extra pieces left, so I'll probably use that in another project. So to make the shaker part of it, I wanted to do this first so you guys can see how I did it. So all I did was I took that little square, the window, and then I put some double-sided sticky tape on the borders, and then I just took a piece of acetate and I put that onto that window. And then I did, instead of measuring and all that, I didn't want to measure, so I just kind of tilted that window to the side a little bit and then just used my scissors to cut that out. And I did go ahead and stamp the edges of this border because I really thought that would add another layer of fun. Actually, I just really wanted to stamp, so that's why I decided to add that. And then I really wanted to pop this up. Well, with shaker cards, you kind of have to pop it up. I used a double-sided foam adhesive that's kind of a little thin, so I always like to double up on that. So all I do is I put one layer of it, and then I release the release paper, and then I do another layer of it. So it's nothing too difficult. Then I had some sequins. I really don't have a whole lot of sequins, but I wanted to use what I had. So I had some sequins and some star die cut shapes, and you can use some hole punch or any kind of punch to create more little shaker elements. And then I just put that shaker window on it. Now that that is done, I can focus on everything else because usually that is the most difficult part for a lot of people and for me myself. So I took the image from the same stamp set, and it has a shake. What I thought is a shake. It could be like a ice cream sundae too. I'm not sure, but I thought it was a shake. So I went with some Nuvo watercolors, and I simply just colored that in. Now, I did zoom in, and I did kind of want to show you how I colored it. Now, just a disclaimer, I am not a colorist. I am nowhere near it. But I did want to show you how I color because I know there are other people out there like me that want to do very fast, not too long, fussy kind of coloring. So I'm going to put some music on now and just have you watch this while I color. guys enjoyed that little coloring. I call it this very simple Charmaine coloring. I hope you enjoyed that. So now I just went around with the same stamp set and I just kind of stamped on the border. I just wanted that outer edge to have a little bit more character in it. So I just added the shake, and the only thing I colored on this little shake image was the little cherries on top, because I just thought that would pop it and it would be a really nice addition to the card. I also decided to add a few of the sequins and some of the embellishments onto the card front as well. And I just used my little quickie pickup tool to do pick those up and then put some art glitter glue to attach it. Now this part was a complete accident. So I was trying to cut my paper, and for some reason I couldn't get a perfect cut. I don't know why, it just didn't end up that way. So what I did was I just kind of flicked my scissors, my Tim Holtz scissors, away from my card base or my card front, and then it created this really neat wavy look. It was really neat and I was really happy with it. And then I glued that onto my A2 size card base, and I chose a pink color because I don't know, I just really wanted that kind of a pink with like different shades of pink for this card, and I really liked how it came out, and I hope you guys liked it too. Hey, I always forget to tell you guys, please, if you haven't already, please subscribe or like my video or comment or all of the above. It would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch me today. Until next time, everyone. Bye.